There's a cluster of earthquakes rattling Southern California on this Sunday. You can see the flurry of seismic activity this afternoon. Good afternoon, I'm Jory Rand. Michelle is off today. The first quake struck just after 1 p.m. and was centered near Westlake Village. A magnitude 4.1, it was the largest in this series of quakes. That was followed by several smaller aftershocks in the Malibu area. Eyewitness News reporter Tim Caputo was first to break in with news of the quakes right here on ABC 7. He joins us now live from Westlake Village, where many felt today's big jolt. Tim?
You're absolutely right, Jory. Maybe with the exception of the folks out here on the boats on the water, practically everyone in small Westlake Village felt that rumble just after 1 o'clock this afternoon, and that unstable feeling turned out to be a 4.1 magnitude earthquake.
It's just kind of shaking. We were next to the case with all the glass, so all I could think of, get under the table, but then it kind of stopped. It was rolling, and I don't know. That's all we felt.
Quick?
It was pretty lengthy.
Yeah, it lingered.
Yeah, it lingered. My chair was a little wobbly.
Kind of feel like motion sickness after, like you're on a boat.
Certainly lingered enough to cause an uneasy feeling, but not necessarily any damage. This afternoon jolt, enough to shake the tables and chairs at restaurants and inside homes, specifically here in Westlake Village, but truly it could be felt all across Los Angeles. Seismologists say it was too small to determine the exact fault it's associated with, but clearly not the San Andreas fault. The movement, we're told, was about 3 miles under the surface, but happening in an area north of Malibu that's been busy over the last year now, with 3 4.0 or greater earthquakes since the beginning of 2024.
Having magnitude 4s doesn't, isn't a problem for anybody, right? It doesn't, it causes a lot of shaking and maybe some fear, but, not any damage. And that seems to be what we're seeing in this sequence over the last year. And I know you asked, what does it mean? And if we knew what it meant, we'd be in a whole different place than we are. At this point, what we can say is it means that we're having earthquakes in this area. And when you have a lot of earthquakes, you tend to have a lot of earthquakes.
Dr. Jones is the best, isn't she? Yeah, earthquakes means earthquakes are happening. It's difficult or impossible to tell what it means in the long term, at least for this afternoon. Certainly those aftershocks were felt specifically in Malibu, the highest there, a 3.0, 3 separate ones after that initial one of 4.1. All of those could be felt back out here live in Westlake Village, but ultimately after all those passed, it was business back as usual for folks out here on the sunny Sunday afternoon, but certainly a reminder to be prepared for a potential bigger earthquake after last week's one we had in North Hollywood, and of course the 4.1 we had right here in Westlake Village. We're live to this afternoon. Tim Caputo, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.